What is your answer, Kimi?
Because I am lonely.
Lonely, okay. And then Zahra.
Because I am peaceful.
Peaceful, okay. And then who else? Wait, I'm thinking about the names of our students here. Gavin. Aurel, please mute your microphone first. Gavin.
Because I'm disappointed.
Disappointed, okay. And then Lovina.
Overwhelmed.
What is it?
Because I'm overwhelmed.
Overwhelmed, okay. And then what about Mikaela? Sorry?
Because I'm excited.
Oh, excited, okay. And then siapa lagi yang belum? Saufa.
Because I'm hyper.
Hyper. Okay. Anyone else not mentioned yet? Axel.
Because I'm surprised.
Surprised, okay. Terkejut. And then who else here? Ada lagi yang belum?
Tita, Miss.
Oh ya, Tita. Sorry, Tita. Yuk.
Because I'm annoyed.
Because I'm
Annoyed.
annoyed. Terganggu ya. Annoyed.
Yes.
Okay. Alright. Done? Is everybody done? Udah semua belum? Hello? Is it all done? Yes, all right. Let's reveal the questions. Can you please have a guess dulu? Kira-kira pertanyaannya apa ya? Why am I?
I think happy.
Why am I happy? Another guess yang lain? Why am I?
Why am I
Angry.
tired?
Why am I angry? Okay, okay. Let's reveal the questions. In 1, 2, 3. Why are you shaking? Do you guys know what is shaking means?
Gemetar.
Gemeteran. Yes, kenapa kamu gemeteran? So who got the right answers here? Coba siapa aja yang termasuk jawabannya benar?
Mia.
Namia, I'm shaking because I am
Care.
I'm scared. I'm shaking again because I am. Kalau anxious bisa nggak?
Surprise.
Surprise. Oh bisa ya. Kalau dikagetin gitu ya. Dor gitu. Ayam gitu. Okay. And then what else?
Anxious.
Anxious, betul. Kalau lagi anxious juga bisa shaking. And then
Overwhelmed.
overwhelmed. That's right. Overwhelmed can be shaking. Ada lagi nggak? Can you be shaking while you're happy? Kalau lagi seneng bisa shaking nggak? Nggak. What about every time you feel disappointed? Kalau kecewa bisa shaking nggak? No. Okay, so how many people got the right answers here?
4.
4. Okay. Next again. Oh, we still have Jifan. Jifan is just joining. Okay, let's go move to the third one. Yang ketiga. Let's go shuffle again. Zahra.
Because I'm bored. Miss.
Hi, Jifan.
Because I'm bored.
Because I'm bored?
Yes.
Okay, wait a moment. I'm going just to use this one. Zahra, bored. And then Namia.
Because
Because I am
silly.
silly. Okay. Rachel,
Worried.
worried? Boleh. Because I'm worried.
Worried.
Worried. Okay.
Worried.
Worried kan, Rachel?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Aurel, because I am
Angry.
angry. Okay. Afia, because I am
Friendly.
friendly. Okay. And then Kimi, because I am
Hopeful.
helpful. Okay. Okay. Gavin, because I am
Worried.
worried udah dipakai. Worried has already been used by Rachel.
Uh, Overwhelmed. Coba. Ada.
Overwhelmed. Okay. Next one. Lovina. Please reshuffle again your answer because I am
Hopeful.
helpful. Oh,
Hopeful.
hopeful. Okay. And then Mikaela.
Distract.
Distracted.
Yeah.
Okay, distracted. Saufa.
Scared.
Scared. Axel.
Stressed out.
Stressed out. Okay. And then Tita.
Because I'm hurt.
I'm hurt. Okay. Aku terluka. And then Jivan. Hi, Jivan.
Yeah, Miss.
Yes. Jivan, can you please pick one of the feelings? Kamu sebut aja. Because I am
Because I am bored.
bored is already done by Zahra. Bored udah dipakai
Bored.
Zahra.
Oh.
Another one?
Um, because I'm happy.
Happy. Okay. Is happy already been used? Not yet, yeah. Okay. Jivan say happy. So, can you please have a guess? What is the right questions? Kira-kira apa ya pertanyaan selanjutnya? Can anyone guess? Taufa, can you please just have a guess? What is it gonna be? Taufa.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, can you please guess what is the next questions gonna be? Kira-kira pertanyaan selanjutnya apa, Saufa? Don't think too much.
I am.
Why am I eating, for example? Why am I swimming? Why am I?
Why am I? Why am I? Why am I excited?
Why am I excited? Okay. Afia, can you have a guess?
Playing with my friends.
Oh, why am I playing with my friends? Okay. Let's take a look all together. We're going to reveal what is the next questions is 1, 2, 3. Why are you hugging your friends? Artinya apa?
Mengapa kita memeluk teman?
That's right. Kenapa kamu memeluk teman kamu? So who got the right answers here? Siapa yang benar?
Hurt.
Why are you hugging your friends? Because I am
Hurt.
worried. Okay.
Hurt. Hurt.
Hurt. Aku terluka. That's right. Why are
Stresses
you hugging?
out.
Friendly.
Because I am friendly. Oh, bisa
Stress
sih ya. Oh ya 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 ya. If someone is friendly, so you can hug your friend. Iya benar.
Because we
Kalau
are
ramah kan suka peluk-peluk orang. Oke, and then
because we
Happy.
are best.
we
We
Happy.
are
happy.
are
Okay, if you're happy, you can hug your friends. That's right.
because
What
because
else?
we best friend.
because
We
stress we are
Scared.
best
Stressful, stress out. That's right.
Scared.
Scared. That's right, Afia, scared.
wake up
I'm hugging my friend because
best friend.
because best friend
I am
and best friend
Because we are
in
ada lagi nggak? Because I'm bored maybe?
because
No. Overwhelmed? Bisa nggak overwhelmed?
pikir dulu
What do you think?
teman.
Overwhelmed apa, Miss?
Overwhelmed tuh artinya kayak overthinking gitu loh, kewalahan, terlalu capek, jadinya terlalu banyak mikir, overwhelmed.
Latihannya overwhelmed.
Tell my friend.
because I'm care my friends
Because I am cared with my friends. Okay, so how many people got the correct answers here? Ada berapa yang benar?
because
6 people, that's right. I'm hugging my friend because I'm worried. I'm hugging my friends because I'm friendly. Yeah, I'm hugging my friend because I'm scared of the ghost or scared with the wild animals. Bisa ya. I'm hugging my friend because I'm stressed out. Oke, atau I'm hugging my friend because I'm hurt. Lagi terluka, lagi broken heart, for example. That is correct. Okay. Do we still have more or it's already done? Okay. One last thing. Terakhir ya.
because I'm care my friends
Because I'm cared with my friend. That's correct. Okay. The last one. Namia, can you please reshuffle again? What's your answer? Because I am
Worried.
worried. Okay. And then Rachel, can you please reshuffle again your answer? Because I am
because I care my best friend
I'm care. I don't think that care is a feelings of adjective. Maybe you can say. Can you please pick one of yang di sini? What is it? Sorry, Rachel.
because I am care my best friend
I'm scared.
care
Wait. I don't think that care is already in the list. Kayaknya care nggak ada di sini deh. Because care is a verb. It's not an adjective. So Rachel, you can pick one of this yang ada di layar ya. Ya, because I am
I am hyper
hyper. All right, thank you. And then Aurel, please shuffle again your answers. Because I am
Ini di daftar.
because I am focused
because I am focus. Okay, focus. And then Afia, because I am
Peaceful.
peaceful. Okay. And then Kimi, because I am
because I am annoyed
annoyed. Okay, annoyed. And then Zahra, because I am
Because I am hurt.
Hurt, okay. And then Gavin,
Because I'm silly.
I'm silly, okay. And then Lovina,
Because I'm proud.
proud, okay. Mikaela,
Because I'm confused.
confused, okay. Sauf,
Because I'm friendly.
friendly, okay. And then Axel,
Happy.
happy. And then Tita,
Because I'm
because I am
brave.
brave, berani. Okay, Jivan,
Happy.
happy already been used. Happy sudah by Axel.
Ujang.
Hah?
Ujang.
Yeah.
Oh, we have Matthew here. Hi, Matthew. Let's go, Jivan.
Merah lagi.
Can everybody please mute your microphone
Ini
because
bisa lihat dulu.
sometimes bocor, guys. Yes. And then what is it, Jivan? Sorry.
Kakak belum pernah main God Simulator, bro. Sebentar, Miss.
Okay. And I have Haikal here. Yeah.
Kenapa suka aku di
Let's go, Jivan.
Aku mau sesuatu.
Okay, Matthew,
Set,
Matthew.
Miss.
Oh, set. Okay, thank you, Jivan. Next, Matthew.
Dia tangkap masuk.
Iya. Sebelah.
Aurel, can you please mute your microphone, Aurel?
Kenapa?
Yes, thank
Kenapa?
you. Okay, Matthew.
Suka aku di apa? Apa atas sini? Kita nggak ada yang butuh itu.
Whose speaker is that? Okay, let's go. Matthew, please.
Ouch.
Matthew, are you there, Matthew?
Yes,
Jivan, can you please mute your microphone? Thank you.
Nyala ya, Miss.
And then what about Haikal? Haikal, are you here?
Yes, Miss.
Yes. Haikal, can you please pick one of the answers using because I am blah 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 blah. Continue with the feelings. Because Miss Dita have a hidden questions on the next slide. Ada pertanyaan tersembunyi di sebelahnya.
Okay, Miss.
Yes. Because I am bored. Okay. And then Matthew, are you here?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, Matthew, can you please prepare one answers? Because I am
excited.
excited? Okay, because
Yeah.
I'm excited. All right, it's time to reveal the questions. Can anyone have a guess? Ada yang bisa jawab dulu nggak? Guess. Tebak. What is the questions gonna be? Kira-kira pertanyaan selanjutnya apa ya? Why am I? Why am I sleeping? Misalnya, kenapa aku tidur? Because I am sleepy, example. Because I am hurt. Because I am sad. So can you please have a guess what is gonna be the answers? The question.
Tidur ini. Why am I sick?
Why am I sick? Bisa. Kenapa aku sakit? Because I am bored. Jadinya sakit. All right. What is it, Matthew? Is that Matthew speaking?
Okay.
All right. let's reveal what is the real question. So, 1, 2, 3, go. Why are you laughing? Kenapa kamu ketawa katanya? Why are you laughing? Ayo, so who have the right guessing here? Siapa yang benar?
Indonesia kurang keras.
Gavin.
Gavin, okay. Why are you laughing, Gavin? Because I am silly, karena aku konyol. Okay. And then, why are you laughing again? Because I am happy. That's right, Namia. Again?
I'm sad.
Hah? Kalau lagi sedih ketawa.
Enggak, Miss. Jadi kalau lagi sedih ketawa aja biar orang ngiranya nggak sedih.
Oh gitu. Okay, so every time you feel sad, so you're going to be laughing. Jadi kayak orang gila gitu dong. Kalau sedih ketawa.
Mana tuh tahu
Enggak, maksudnya sedihnya ditutup-tutup gitu, Miss.
Oh, okay. And then, I'm laughing because I am Matthew?
Excited.
Excited. That's right, Tita. Excited. And then, is there any else? Ada lagi nggak? I'm laughing because
Hyper.
Baby hyper.
Okay.
karena aku ketawa karena
Wait a moment.
langsung humoris itu ragu ini khawatir. Why are you laughing? Kenapa kamu ketawa? Oh, karena kamu ketawa karena apa ya luar? Ini bilang
Mana biru?
Bisa telepon. Udah, betul.
oke.
Okay, I'm back again. I'm sorry for the inconvenience.
Kenapa, Miss?
I don't know. Something happens. Okay, let's continue. So who got the right answers? Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 people here, right? Hello? Hello?
Yes.
Yes. Why no one is answering, Miss Dita? Okay. Now we're moving to the next discussions. Okay. Here are the things that sometimes makes us upset. Apa itu upset?
Kecil.
What is upset? Does anybody know what is upset?
Sedih.
Sedih atau marah atau
Sesuatu yang
Kecewa.
kesal ya, kesal, marah, sedih, upset. So sometimes the things that that makes us upset are when someone doesn't listen to us, and then when friends
When friends
ignore us, when someone is mean. Do you know what is mean?
Jahat.
Jahat, that's right. When people don't share,
when
tidak mau berbagi. Kadang-kadang kita marah, mau minta tapi kok nggak dikasih, for example. When we lost the game, siapa yang suka being upset when you lost the game? Siapa yang suka marah-marah kalau kalah main?
When someone is
Again, when
Pernah tapi jarang sih, Miss.
Okay, jarang, that's good. And then when plans change suddenly, siapa yang suka marah-marah kalau jadwalnya berubah?
Aku.
Atau planningnya berubah, siapa suka marah-marah?
Ya gimana, Miss? Maksudnya jadwalnya berubah?
Ya, for example, you have a plans to go to Bandung, tapi ternyata on the apa namanya, on the another
Oh, nggak
day,
jadi
ya
diundur
terus
gitu.
nggak jadi. Terus akhirnya bilang udah di rumah aja deh, nggak jadi ke Bandungnya gitu. Marah nggak?
Lumayan sih.
Marah.
Tapi nggak kesel-kesel banget.
Iya, sometimes that makes us upset,
Bisa dia
right?
ada kebutuhan lain gitu, Miss.
Betul. Okay, next
Someone
one.
itu
When someone
seseorang,
lies,
seseorang
do you feel
atau
upset when someone lies? Kalau ada yang berbohong, kamu kesel nggak?
Kesel banget.
Kesel banget, oke. And then when we are blamed for something we didn't do, blame itu artinya disalahkan, oke?
when someone lies.
Disalahin.
When someone lies.
Difitnah, Miss. Difitnah, Miss.
Difitnah when someone lies, kata Rachel. Yes, that's right. Blame itu
Kesel banget sih, Miss.
ya, blame itu disalahkan ya, disalahkan untuk something that we didn't do, yang kita tidak lakukan. And
Nggak
then do you
ngapa-ngapain disalahin, Miss.
That's right. And then, do you feel upset every time people shout? Kalau misalkan ada orang teriak-teriak, kesel nggak?
Iya, Miss.
Yes.
Kesel, Miss.
Kesel kan? Mhm.
Banget. Tapi kalau di lapangan mah nggak apa-apa.
Oh, kalau di lapangan nggak apa-apa. Oke. Kalau di
Kalau
classroom,
kayak di berisik ya
iya.
berisik
And
aja
then,
gitu kan.
do you feel upset every time you feel left out? Left out, ditinggal. Ditinggal nggak masalah, nggak kesel.
Kesel sih. Keselin. Enggak sih, nggak terlalu sih. Bukan
Misalnya
kesel
nih,
sih.
udah janjian. For example ya, you're planning to go with your friends. Bertiga nih janjiannya, tiba-tiba kalian ditinggal. Terus gimana?
Udah biarin. Biarin aja.
Biarin aja.
Temen aku banyak.
Mereka yang
Okay.
bohongin, mereka yang dosa kok.
Okay, that's nice. And then, do you feel upset when someone laughs at us? Kalau ada yang ngetawain?
Malu. Udah kesel sih, Miss. Kayak malu.
And then when we have to wait too long, kalau kita suruh nunggu yang lama banget.
Enggak sih. Kadang kalau suruh nunggu lama, apa main nungguin.
And then when the rules feels unfair, kalau ada yang nggak adil, yes,
Kesel.
kesel. When we
Dibilang
can
nggak
do something we want, kalau kita nggak bisa melakukan yang kita mau, for example, aku maunya berenang, tapi mama maunya shopping.
Itu sih.
Do you feel upset?
Enggak sih.
Enggak, benar.
Ya.
Okay. And then do you feel upset when someone takes our thing? Kalau ada yang nyuri, kesel nggak?
Dengar.
Kesel.
Yes. Takes our thing itu artinya mengambil ya, mengambil barang kita.
Ntar bilangin Pak Jokowi.
Bilangin Pak Jokowi. And then, do you feel upset when we make a mistake?
Enggak.
Kalau kita yang salah, kita kesel nggak?
Enggak.
Boleh ya. Kan kita yang
Kalau
salah.
kita
We make a mistake. And then
kesel
when
diri sendiri gitu, Miss.
kesel sendiri. And then do you feel upset when we are tired or hungry?
Kesel. Ya.
Kesel ya, kadang-kadang kalau lapar kesel. And then, do you
Kalau
feel
lapar nggak
upset?
kesel, Miss.
Do you feel upset when someone breaks a promise? Break a promise artinya ingkar janji, kesel nggak?
Iya. Kesel sih.
Ingkar janji. Ih, udah janjian jam segini kok nggak jadi, terus ngaret misalnya, breaks a promise.
Biarin aja kesel.
And then, do you feel upset when we feel lonely? Kalau kesepian, kesel nggak?
Enggak. Nggak terlalu.
Be
Yang
aja
ada
ya.
tidur, Miss, kalau sepi.
Oh, be aja ya. Okay, the last one. Do you feel upset every time you tried your best but it's not noticed atau nggak diapresiasi, not being appreciated?
Ya. Sedih tuh, Miss. Enggak
For
kesel, nggak kesel sih,
example,
Miss.
contohnya nih ya, you're joining a competition, kamu lagi lomba, terus juara 3 atau juara harapan 1, harapan 2, harapan 3, and then your mom or your dad didn't appreciate it. Kesel nggak?
Kesel enggak.
Oh ya,
Sedih sih, Miss.
sedih ya. Marah nggak?
Kalau aku sih lebih kebingung, Miss.
Bingung ya, oke. So yeah, sometimes
Salahnya
it
di
makes
mana?
us upset. Salahnya di mana? We already tried our best, ya kan? Kita udah berusaha gitu. Alright, so the next slide is this one. The most common kids tantrum action. Siapa yang pernah tantrum di sini? Aku.
Pernah.
Ayo jujur. Jujur. Siapa yang pernah tantrum di sini? Saya. Maybe when you were a baby ya. Maybe when you were a baby, kamu sukanya tantrum. Tantrumnya ngapain? Tantrum itu, there are so many kinds of tantrum. Bisa rolling over on the ground. Bisa juga stomping the feet.
Ini
Bisa
yang
juga
punya adik, Miss.
slamming the door. Banting pintu aja lah, Miss. Banting barang aja lah, Miss. Gitu. Nah,
Ini yang punya adik, Miss.
no, it's all about you. Tentang kalian. Maybe when you were a baby, waktu kalian masih kecil, or maybe when you were still a toddler, masih usia 3 atau 5 tahun TK gitu. Sometimes you
Oh,
ever felt tantrum. Siapa yang pernah? Oke, one by one
bisa
ya.
dibongkar.
Jangan dibongkar. The tantrum number 1, crying loudly. Pernah atau enggak? Have you ever cried loudly?
Kayak nangis teriak terus, Miss.
Nangis sampai yang ya.
Oh, itu mah ciri khas saya, Miss.
Pernah ya. So
Itu ciri khas
everybody
aku,
has
Miss.
kebiasaan sampai sekarang.
Enggak sih
Enggak.
dulu.
Oh,
Dulu
okay.
ya.
When you were still baby ya. And then screaming or yelling.
Pernah.
Teriak-teriak.
Pernah.
Yes, pernah. Do you know what is yelling? Yelling itu apa ya?
Pernah.
Kalau yelling itu apa ya?
Teriak.
Kalau teriak screaming. Kalau yelling apa?
Bernada.
Yelling tuh kayak ngatain gitu loh.
Oh.
Mama jelek. Gitu. Mama jahat. Gitu. Mama jahat. For example. Pernah? So
Pernah,
far?
Miss. Pernah, Miss.
Running low.
Kalau
Exactly.
And then, what about
kalau nggak dibeliin
stomping
boneka
your
gitu.
feet? Siapa yang pernah hentakin kaki kalau tantrum kesel?
Pernah dulu.
Pernah dulu.
Pernah, Miss.
Throwing toys or object? Lempar
main.
barang?
Kakinya kaki sendiri.
Lying
Lempar
on
barang pernah?
the floor.
Oke.
Jarang-jarang.
What are the objects actually? Biasanya barang-barang apa yang dilempar?
Bantal.
Oke, the phone.
Sisir.
Oke, the
Lying
phone.
on the floor.
What about your phone or tablets? Pernah nggak
Remote
dilempar?
Pernah.
What about your
Remote
phones or
TV.
tablets?
Gak pernah, Miss.
Nggak pernah ya, karena mahal ya. Kalau misalkan rusak nggak bisa nonton YouTube lagi ya.
Iya dong.
Ya dong.
Lying on the floor.
Laying on the floor artinya tiduran di jalan.
Nangis tiduran di tangga gitu.
Tiduran di jalan.
Di
lantai.
tangga di jalan.
Lantai.
Lying on the floor.
Pernah.
Yes, lying on the floor. Rachel pernah ya. Next one, hitting or kicking. Siapa yang pernah nonjok-nonjok orang? Nendang-nendang orang?
Boneka, Miss.
Boneka boleh. Kalau
Palingan
orang
saya
tidak
nendang
boleh
ini,
ya.
Miss. Bantal. Kalau
Bantal.
enggak tembok.
Oke.
bantal biasanya, Miss.
Bantal ya. Beli samsak aja kalau gitu. Just kidding. And then crossing the arms and refusing to move. Crossing the arms berarti tangannya apa tuh namanya kalau di bahasa Indonesia?
Dipatahin.
Bukan. Kok dipatahin? Gini loh. Apa sih lipat tangan, melipat tangan, crossing the arms.
Oh,
Kayak kesel gitu.
enggak.
Gitu.
Palingan kalau udah kesel
Enggak ya.
banget kayak Miss.
Saying no again and again.
Pernah, Miss. Pernah.
Oke. Misalkan mamanya nawarin, mau makan enggak sekarang? Nggak mau. Ayo pergi yuk. Enggak. Gitu. Running away from adults. Apakah kalian pernah berpikiran untuk running away from adults? From your parents? Kabur.
Enggak.
Running away
Enggak.
maksudnya kabur.
Kalau minta jajan sama siapa dong, Miss?
Yang ada ditakut-takutin keluar dari rumah, Miss.
Takut diusir bener.
Jadi nggak
Oke.
pernah ngelakuin kayak gitu.
And then holding the breath and crying without sounds. Pernah nggak?
Kayaknya pernah.
Yes.
Pernah kayaknya.
Sampai
Nangis
sesek,
kayak gimana,
tapi
Miss?
nggak sampai keluar air mata. Crying without the sounds. Cuma gini aja. Sobbing.
Pernah? Sering.
Pernah.
Sering.
Pernah.
What
Sampai
about
sekarang-
slamming the doors? Like, slamming the
Banting pintu bukan?
membanting pintu.
Pernah.
Banting pintu pas kelas 1, Miss.
Sering nggak?
Miss. Kalau di kelas sih biasanya.
Next one, pouting and sulking. Do you know what is pouting and sulking?
No, Miss.
Pouting itu artinya manyun. Kayak gitu.
Sering.
Sering, Miss.
Kalau
Sering.
sulking nih, sulking.
Kalau sulking itu merajuk atau ngambek. Ngambek aja lah udah gitu.
Sering.
Sering.
Seringnya sulking, Miss.
Oke. And what about refusing to talk? Refusing artinya menolak berbicara.
Pernah.
Tanyain diem doang gitu, Miss.
Sering.
Iya, mogok ngomong. Pokoknya aku nggak mau ngomong gitu.
Sering.
Sering.
Pernah.
Zara sering. Oke, grabbing things roughly. Tahu nggak artinya apa?
Pegang.
Bukan
Pegang
memegang.
barang. Apa ya?
Ngambil barang tapi dengan kasar. Rough itu kasar. Jadi ngambilnya tuh kayak tuk, 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 gitu. Kayak banting-banting barang gitu.
Kadang-kadang.
Sometimes.
Oh, ngambilnya cepet terus pas mau ngasihnya itu dilempar.
Bukan, ngambilnya tuh secara gerasak-gerusuk. Do you know what is gerasak-gerusuk?
Oh.
Gitu ya, kasar. And then rolling on the floor. Siapa yang berguling-guling?
Guling.
Nggak pernah.
Nggak ya, kan kotor. Ya, it's so
Bukan, Miss.
dirty.
Dulu pernah, Miss.
I'm
Sekali,
scared of the
sekali dua
germs.
kali.
Nggak takut kuman.
Enggak.
Lu mana ngerti kuman kita, Miss?
And then covering the ears. Covering the ears berarti tutup telinga.
Enggak pernah.
Nggak ya?
Pernah.
Saying hurtful words. Apakah kalian pernah saying hurtful words?
Enggak.
Gimana?
Pernah.
Gimana?
Ngomong yang menyakitkan.
Enggak.
Contoh.
What about clencing fist?
What is that, Miss?
Clencing
Clencing
fist
fist?
means, wait, in Indonesia we call it like kayak gini, apa namanya, mengepal tangan. Keselnya sampai gini.
Itu mah kalau udah kesel mau ngungkapin kekesalan tapi takut gitu
Nggak
lah,
bisa.
kayak gitu.
Tapi nggak bisa, yes. Jadi kita memendam itu dengan clenching fists. Jadi menggenggam tangan atau mengepal. Next one, refusing to
Kadang
follow
suka lonjak, Miss.
instructions. Kalau refusing to follow instructions pernah?
Gimana?
Menolak instruksi. Misalnya mama suruh tidur nggak mau, suruh cuci piring nggak mau.
Pernah lah, Miss.
Pernah lah, Miss. Oke.
Kadang kalau kayak gitu
Kadang-kadang.
dimarahin, Miss.
Yes. Ya, makin dimarahin, that's right. So, here is the most common. Most common itu yang paling sering ya. Most common itu yang paling sering terjadi, the kids tantrum action. And some of you have already experienced this. Semuanya hampir pernah. Okay. The next one we are going to talk about. Waduh, udah mau habis baru ngomong. Okay, here is the emotional intelligence in children. Jadi pentingnya menjaga emotional intelligence adalah supaya kalian hidupnya itu damai. So you will get the peaceful life. Jadi kalau kesal, kalau marah, gimana sih caranya biar nggak tantrum? So we're going to talk about this. And then emotional intelligence and its importance in the child's life. Are you still children, right? Masih anak-anak kan?
Masih.
Masih.
Asik.
So what is emotional intelligence? The ability to recognize, understand, and manage your emotions. Jadi semua feelings yang kalian rasakan, yang tadi tuh yang sad, happy, excited, proud, disappointed, itu adalah valid feeling. Perasaan itu adalah valid. Okay? So, every time you feel sad, it's okay. Every time you feel disappointed, it's okay. Karena namanya manusia punya perasaan. But you have to recognize, kita harus mengenal the typical of our emotions. Kita harus kenal nih emosinya sesaat atau emosinya terpendam sejak lama, so we have to know. And then we also have to understand and manage our emotions well. Biar apa? Biar kita mendapatkan self-awareness, self-regulations, empathy, and social skills. Empathy itu harus ya guys. For example, kalau temennya sakit, temennya sedih, ya we have to be empathy. Kita harus berempati. Lagi berduka, kita harus berempati. And then, why is developing emotional intelligence important? Kenapa sih penting banget untuk menjaga emosi? Because it improves relationship with the friends and family. Kalian nggak suka kan kalau temennya teriak-teriak tanpa sebab yang jelas?
No, Miss.
Nah itu.
Kalian kalau gitu, Miss.
Karena your feeling is your own responsible. Jadi perasaan kalian itu adalah bukan kewajiban, tanggung jawab kalian sendiri. Oke, don't bother other people to understand your feeling. Nggak semua orang harus mengerti. So you have to improve the relationships with the friends and family by developing the emotional intelligence. Okay. And then, how to recognize the emotions? Gimana cara mengenal emosinya? So you have to give the label for your feelings. Misalnya, gambar aja di kertas kalau lagi kesel. Oh ya udah, aku mau gambar yang ini aja lah. Kalau aku lagi bingung, aku mau gambar yang ini. Aku lagi seneng gambar ini. Label your feelings. And then you can also use the emotions card. Bisa pakai emoji dari HP, dari WhatsApp, for example, or facial expressions to show a variety of your feeling. Because when you understand your feeling well, you can better express yourself and manage situations more effectively. Gitu. Kan kalau sekarang kan udah pakai HP, udah ada chat apa namanya? Udah ada WhatsApp yang ada emojinya, ada GIF-nya, so you can find whatever you want. Okay? Label your feeling. Kalau kesel ya pakai aja emoji kesel, emoji marah. It's okay. And then developing the self-awareness to know well what makes you upset. Kenalin dulu nih perasaannya. Kenapa sih aku kesel? Oh, yang tadi tuh. Oh, karena aku tidak didengarkan. Oh, karena aku tidak dihargai. Oh, karena aku ditinggal. Oh, karena aku apa? So you have to know well what makes you upset. Jangan langsung tantrum. And then you have to ask yourself, kamu harus bertanya sama diri sendiri, what are you feeling? Apa yang kamu rasakan and why do you think like that? Kenapa sih aku bisa kesel gitu? Balik lagi ke slide yang tadi ya. Jadi kamu harus tahu dulu kenapa kamu keselnya. And then help your friends to notice physical change when experiencing the emotions. Ada nggak yang kalau kesel sampai jambak-jambak, garuk-garuk kepala, menyakiti diri sendiri,
Enggak, Miss.
jedotin kepala misalnya?
Pernah, Miss?
Iya kan?
Pernah.
Pernah kata Namia. Nah itu. That is why you have to develop your self-awareness of the emotion. Gitu. Karena kalau udah sampai menyakiti diri sendiri, itu tidak boleh. Ya. So manage well your emotions. And then managing emotions will help you to develop the self-control techniques such as the breathing or exercises. Jadi caranya gimana? Control your breath. Dikontrol napasnya. Tarik napas, inhale. Buang napas, exhale. Kalau lagi kesel, inhale, exhale. Tarik napas dulu. Tarik napas. Nah, gitu. And then, to help yourself to think before reacting to difficult situations. Tidak boleh langsung beraksi. So, you have to think before act. Mikir dulu nih, kalau aku langsung nangis gimana ya? So, you have to think first before action. Ya, sebelum bertindak harus dipikir dulu. And then, developing empathy is to look how people react when something inconvenience happen. Kalau ada sesuatu yang tidak nyaman, kalian bisa kelihatan nih, oh temanku nggak nyaman nih di keramaian, kok kayaknya dia gelisah ya. Nah, that is to feel the empathy. Kalau kamu udah lihat temennya gelisah di keramaian, ajaklah mereka untuk menghindari keramaian tersebut. So you can ask them like, do you want to move gitu? Kesini yuk, pergi kesini yuk, minggiran yuk gitu. So you can build the empathy. And then imagine what if it is you. Kamu harus memikirkan bagaimana kalau itu terjadi sama kalian. Okay, be in someone's shoe. And then try to understand how their actions might affect others' feeling to develop empathy. Our feelings are valid. Jadi bagaimana kita bisa mengerti. Misalnya ada orang kan yang ada di keramaian tuh dia anxiety. Anxiety itu ketakutan berlebihan. Jadinya shaking, gemeteran, nangis gitu. Nah, itu artinya dia tidak nyaman. So you have to build your empathy. Ya, jangan malah yelling, jangan malah dikata-katain. And then practice playing together with your friends. Coba aja untuk bermain and then try to listen your friends and communicate politely. Berkomunikasilah dengan baik dan sopan. Support others and resolve the conflicts. Jauhin konflik ya. And then the tips are be an example in expressing and managing emotions. Kamu juga harus jadi contoh yang baik. And encourage people, mengajak orang to understand and recognize their feeling. Kalau misalkan ada yang gak nyaman, kamu tanya, kamu lagi sedih ya? What are you feeling? Gitu. Kenapa kamu diam? Why are you so quiet? Gitu. Tanya. So, try to make them understand and recognize their feeling. Okay? And then back again here. Kalau udah belajar emotional intelligence berarti yang ini tidak boleh tantrum lagi. When someone doesn't listen to us, ya udah, it's okay because ya it's everyone's choice, right? Nggak boleh langsung tantrum, langsung kesel, langsung yelling. Nggak boleh langsung shouting, langsung teriak-teriak. Tidak boleh. Because you already know the feelings. Oke, now the last but not least ya. Ini terakhir sebenarnya masih ada lagi tapi ya it's okay. I would rather bla 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 dan cepet aja kita mainnya. Kamu lebih memilih apa daripada apa? For example, I would rather take a deep breath. Aku mendingan tarik napas deh. Then roll over the ground daripada berguling-guling. Example. Ya, yang tadi tuh yang di slide yang awal. I would rather, example, nih ada squeeze the pillow. Berarti aku lebih memilih untuk ngeremes bantal aja deh, meluk bantal gitu. Rather than stomping my feet. Daripada menghentakkan kaki, for example. Okay, I'm going to go with Mikaela. Mikaela.
Yes, Miss.
Yes. What would you like to do? Or I would rather blah 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 than
Apa aja kan bisa lagi
yes.
ini?
Apa aja? I would rather
Draw or color some anything one.
Dan daripada ngapain?
Daripada eh, ask for help.
Oke, daripada ask for help? Jangan dong. Daripada itu harus yang negatif ya. For example, tadi tuh roll over the ground atau shouting, teriak, atau yelling, ngata-ngatain, atau stomp feet.
Yang harus di sini kah, Miss?
Yang kalau yang then pakai yang di sini ya, yang Miss ketik. Kalau yang I would rather itu harus yang positif. Jadi I would rather take 5 slow breaths than shouting. I would rather give myself a hug. Aku lebih memilih untuk memeluk diriku sendiri than yelling. Example.
Draw or color some anything than shouting.
Okay. And then Afia.
I would rather listen to a favorite song than screaming.
Screaming. Okay. Namia.
I would rather squeeze a stress ball than shouting.
Oke, lebih baik peluk bantal ya daripada teriak-teriak gak jelas. That's good. And then Axel.
I would rather take deep breaths than scream.
Then screaming. That's nice. Tita.
I would sip some water or tea, then yelling.
That's nice. Zahra.
I would rather warp your safe in a cozy blanket than stomping the feet.
Yes, daripada hentak-hentak kaki, ngumpet aja di selimut. That's good, Zahra. Next one, Saufa.
Wait, Miss.
Yes.
I would rather draw your angry face, then crumple it up, then yelling.
Iya, lebih baik gambar aja tuh emosinya, terus diacak-acak kertasnya. Ya, crumple it up. Daripada yelling ngatain orang. That's good. And then what about Kimi? Kimi.
Yes, Miss.
Yeah, let's go, Kimi. I would rather.
I would rather look yourself like a big bear than screaming.
Screaming. Good job. Aurel? Aurelia? Open your mic.
Ini dulu baru.
I would rather. Aurel? Oke, skip Aurel first. Tita. Tita udah ya?
Udah,
Mika? Mikaela? Have you done? Mika udah ya? Matthew?
Gavin, Miss,
Oh ya,
belum.
Gavin. Oke, Gavin dulu deh boleh. Let's go, Gavin.
Uh, I would rather use I feel to express your feelings than yelling.
Then yelling. Oke, next Matthew.
5.
Matthew. Is Matthew here? Or maybe he's going somewhere. Lovina? Okay.
I would rather listen to a favorite song than yelling.
Yes, I would rather listen to my favorite song than yelling. That's nice. Next is Jivan.
I would rather give yourself a hug
Mhm.
than squeeze a pillow to
No,
let
no.
Eh.
Then-nya harus pakai yang di sini. Karena then-nya itu harus yang negatif. Then
screaming.
Then screaming. Okay. Next one is Haikal.
I would rather take deep breath and screaming.
Then screaming. Nice. Matthew, are you here? Rachel?
I would rather take 5 slow breaths
Hmm.
than find a quiet corner and rest.
Then
Then
pilih yang di sini ya,
then
then-nya. Then shouting or then yelling.
find a quiet corner and rest.
Can you please pick yang di sini aja. Pick then-nya yang di sini because it has to be negatif karena setelah I would rather positif, setelah then harus negatif gitu. So I would rather take 5 slow breaths. Aku lebih baik tarik napas 5 detik yang pelan-pelan daripada marah-marah, daripada yelling, daripada shouting. Ulang lagi ya, Rachel.
Bagaimana?
I would rather
I would rather take 5 slow breaths
then
than find a quiet corner.
setelah then Rachel, setelah then pakai yang di sini shouting, yelling, stomping the feet atau screaming. Then
Take in.
mhm.
Take a break and count to 10.
Okay, can you please follow Miss Tita now? I would rather follow Miss Tita, ikutin Miss Tita. I would rather take 5 slow breaths
take 5 slow breaths
then shouting. Iya,
Then
jadi lebih baik tarik napas pelan-pelan daripada teriak-teri
yeah.
shouting. Thank you, Rachel. And then Matthew, are you here, Matthew?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Matthew di sini nggak? Oke, let's go Matthew. I would rather.
Let me choose.
Matthew.
I would rather wear
Matthew. Okay, Matthew is not here. So now has everybody done? Udah semua belum? Zara udah belum Zara?
Udah, Miss.
Udah ya. Okay, so next, the last one, this one. Emotional intelligence overall, jadi secara keseluruhan, emotional intelligence is the key, adalah kunci to be successful. Untuk menjadi orang yang sukses. Kenapa? Karena orang yang sukses itu biasanya bisa mengontrol emosi. Ya, orang pintar bisa memanage emosi atau mengkontrol emosi. So emotional intelligence help the children become more confident and happy. Bisa membantu kalian menjadi lebih percaya diri dan juga lebih happy. Continuous support and development will help the children to adapt to life. Untuk beradaptasi dalam kehidupan. In the end, what kind of person do you want to be? Jadi terakhir, kalian mau jadi orang yang apa? Circle. I want to be a calm person. I don't want to be an anxious person. Jadi ini adalah opposite-nya, kebalikannya, positif dan negatif. I want to be a proud person and I don't want to be an ashamed person. Oke. Ayo, Miss pilih 3 aja ya. I'm just going to pick 3 persons, Axel, Gavin, and Afia. Axel, Gavin, Afia. Coba pilih 3 aja. Pilih satu-satu. Nah, masing-masing satu. I'm sorry. Each person have one, please. I want to be Afia first. Yeah, we almost run our time. Ayo, Afia. I want to be a... Okay.
I want to be a
peaceful person.
And
I don't want to be a...
agitated person.
Nice. Okay. Next one, Axel.
I want to be a brave person. I don't want to be a insecure person.
Faint-hearted.
Faint-hearted
person. Okay, next one, Gavin. I want to be
a confident person, and I don't want to be a insecure person.
That's nice. Aku mau jadi percaya diri daripada insecure ya. I want to be a confident person. I don't want to be an insecure person. That's good. Okay, the last one, the last but not least, terakhir banget. I want you guys to please follow Miss Dita. Follow me, okay? Ikutin Miss aja. Feeling comes and go. Let's go say it. Everybody. Sometimes fast, sometimes slow.
Sometimes slow.
Like the wind or like the rain.
Like the rain.
But each feeling has its place. And I meet them face to face. If I'm scared or feeling blue, I can say just how I do. Talk it out or draw a heart. That's the way that I can start. Feeling comes, feeling go. It's okay to let them show.
It's okay to let go.
I'm safe and I'm strong.
I'm
I'm
safe
safe
and
and
strong.
Every feeling can belong.
Every
feeling
feeling
belong.
Yay! Give applause to all of us. Tepuk tangan dulu dong. That's nice. So, in the end, the feelings that we have are valid. Semua perasaan itu valid. Tapi, the things that you have to remember, you have to control your emotion. Jangan lupa dikontrol. So, you have to think first before act. Kalau misalkan aku teriak-teriak, orang nyaman nggak ya? Kalau aku banting-banting barang, mama tambah marah nggak ya? So you have to think it first, okay? Jangan langsung bereaksi. Okay, so Miss Tita is going to see you again on the next weeks, and then on next Wednesday you will be having Miss Evie again. Okay, guys?
okay.
Okay, so thank you so much for having me tonight. Have a good night. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye Namia, bye-bye Rachel, bye-bye Jivan, bye-bye Saufa, bye-bye Zahra, bye-bye Kimi, bye-bye Matthew, bye-bye Gavin, bye-bye Tita, bye-bye Lovina, bye-bye Rachel, already done. Okay, bye everybody. Thank you, Rachel.